Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma, and a very big hello to everyone listening today. It is wonderful to be here with you.
Yes, it is wonderful. Paul, you look very happy today.
I am happy, Emma. The year is almost finished. It is December, and holidays are coming.
Ah, yes, the end of the year feels special. Everyone is excited.
Exactly. I love this time of year. There is a festive mood everywhere.
But before we talk more, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, if you like learning English with us, please click the like button. It helps us a lot.
And please subscribe to our channel. We want you to join our English learning family.
Share this video with your friends. Learning English is better with friends.
Okay, Paul, the end of the year is magical. Tell me, why are you especially happy?
Not just because of the magic, it is also because of the break. No work, no alarm clocks.
Yes, that is the best part.
I worked hard this year, Emma. I made many plans and finished my tasks. Now I want to rest and relax.
I understand. I also like the festive atmosphere. The lights, decorations, and music make me happy.
Yes, red, green, gold lights everywhere. Music in the shops, sometimes loud but fun.
It is a festive mood, full of energy and happiness.
So when does your holiday start?
My last day is Friday. After that, I'm free.
Me too. We will have a small office party.
A party sounds fun. Cake and cookies?
Yes, lots of them. And we talk about life, not just work.
After the party, do you travel?
No, I will stay home and visit my family.
Family time is important. Do they cook a special dinner?
Yes, my mother makes a big dinner. Turkey, potatoes, vegetables, and apple pie for dessert.
That sounds delicious. Can I visit your house?
Of course, Emma, you are welcome.
I also love cooking for friends. I bake cookies for them.
Chocolate cookies.
Yes, and ginger cookies. They smell like Christmas.
I love that smell. It makes the house feel warm.
What else do you do on holidays?
I watch movies, old holiday movies every year.
Why the same movies?
It is a tradition. It makes me feel happy and calm.
Simple plans are the best. No stress.
Some people travel, some stay home. Some like cold weather, some like hot weather.
What about you, Paul?
I stay home, enjoy food, watch movies, and rest.
I like to go to the beach. Summer is hot here. I swim with my sister.
That sounds refreshing. We all celebrate in our own way.
Yes, everyone has a different style.
Do you like short trips too?
Yes, one-day trips are nice. Nearby places feel calm and easy.
I agree. Not too crowded, just peaceful.
Do you visit family during short trips?
I agree. Not too crowded, just peaceful.
Do you visit family during short trips?
Sometimes, yes. Even a few hours with family makes holidays better.
Do you buy gifts, Paul?
Only simple gifts. I don't like complicated shopping.
Simple gifts are nice. Meaning matters more than price.
Yes, I also like handmade gifts. They come from the heart.
I like baking cookies for friends.
That is a wonderful idea. Handmade gifts are special.
And they save money, too.
True, the end of the year can be expensive otherwise.
Yes, careful planning is important.
Do you make resolutions, Emma?
Yes, small ones, like reading more books or drinking more water.
Those are very good goals.
What about you, Paul?
I want to learn to play the guitar.
That is exciting.
I have a guitar, but I never played it. Next year, I will try.
I hope you can play a song for us.
Yes, maybe next year. I need practice first.
The holidays are a good time to reflect.
Yes, think about what we did this year and what we want to do next year.
Also, a good time to relax. Watch movies, listen to music, talk to family.
Don't forget to enjoy small things, a cup of tea, a quiet morning, or a short walk.
Yes, life is too fast. Holidays slow it down.
Time passes quickly, but these moments stay in memory.
So, to everyone listening, enjoy your holidays.
Rest well, eat good food, talk to friends, and relax.
Smile, be kind, and stay safe.
Happy holidays, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.